So, meron ako nakita dito sa TikTok and matagal ko nang alam tong product na to. Isa ka rin ba sa may PCOS na katulad ko? Gusto kong i-share sa inyo yung naging journey ko because having a PCOS is struggling talaga. So, miracle talaga yung nangyari sa akin. I am a PCOS survivor. Imagine having a PCOS is very painful kasi nag-weight gain ka, nabubuli na ako ng ibang tao dahil sa nagiging katawan ko. This is my body before and this is me now. And after so many attempts and na-discover ko itong Herbal Nation, sila ang nag-alis ng barrier ko o gagaling pa ako. Because pinatunayan niya na hindi lang ito temporary relief and ito talaga yung naging solusyon sa problema ko. It's too good to be true, right? But I can assure you, this is a real deal. So, kung may PCOS ka man o wala, kung gusto mo lang naman mag-regain or mas maging healthy ka, I highly recommend you this Herbal Nation Barley Juice. This is a game changer. So if I were you, take it from the person na naka-experience, naka-feel ng benefits niya. And yun lang guys, na-share ko lang.